If you're dealing with a leaky hose like we have been, you may not need to have to buy a whole new hose. So the hose that we have is actually a very expensive one, and it was from Front Gate, and it cost us like $200 or something like that. But anyway, so instead of buying a whole new one, my husband said we can probably just repair it. So we ordered this particular garden hose repair, and I'm going to tell you what you need to know if you are thinking of doing the same thing. So first off, you want to know the size of your garden hose. So you want to measure the width and make sure that you get the right size hose connector. The one that we needed was a 1/2 inch. So we ordered a pack of them. They just came as a pack, so we really only needed one. So using some scissors, my husband, actually not the scissors because we needed something stronger, so he was able to cut the hose. And then what we did, all you have to do is just take the connector and push it into the hose, just like so. Make sure you get it all the way in, and it can be hard. Fortunately, my husband is much stronger than I am, so he was able to get it in. But that's not the end. After that, you need to actually take the clamp, and you got to make sure you put the clamp on before you put on the hose connector. And so once you do that, you get the clamp in there, and then you get your screwdriver, and you just simply tighten it. And what that does is that makes it really, really tight and keeps the water from leaking out even through the outside, I suppose. But you just really want it to get really tight. So all we needed was a flathead screwdriver for this particular one. Once that's tightened, then you just go ahead and test it, and I was able to hook up my hose and with my nozzle, and it worked great and no more leaking. Super, super happy. So all the links are below if you're interested, and I hope that you found this video helpful.